Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Escape headlight. First, gather your essential tools: a new headlight bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. It is crucial to ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine is cool to the touch before you begin. Once ready, simply open the hood and identify the headlight assembly that requires replacement. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's access the bulb. Use your 10mm socket wrench to carefully remove the two bolts located at the top of the headlight assembly. With those bolts out, gently pull the entire assembly forward. It should release from its lower mounting clips with a little effort. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it straight off. This gives you full access to the bulb. With the assembly free, it is time to replace the bulb. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise approximately 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, making sure it is seated correctly. You are almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb and twist the socket clockwise to secure it back into the housing. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its lower mounting clips, then reinsert and tighten the two 10mm bolts at the top. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it is functioning perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.